Hello and welcome to this video. This is John with Goff's Concepts. I just wanted to take a second, make a video on my newest website slash business in a box I have for sale over at flippa.com. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, this website is called The Complete Internet Marketing Strategy. The domain name is thecompleteiamstrategy.com, which is a really good domain. And this right here is a landing page. This is where you want to send traffic. And what's going to happen is, in exchange for a free report, your guests will enter their email, and they will be added to your list, which is awesome. And from here, we have a thank you page. It is a download for their free ebook. And then there's also a link over here to take them to the main sales page, which I will show you next. This is it. Very beautiful. There's a YouTube video on here. This is where you're going to put your affiliate links, and absolutely gorgeous website here. This is for the main offer. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of free bonuses that you will get as a buyer, so that way your buyers have access to everything you're going to be offering them. But this is the main product. It's an ebook, pretty much expanded ebook on the free report. Then the ebook set for whatever price you want to set it at. I typically set them at $17, and here's a thank you page, download page for the main offer, all the freebies, bonuses here, and then there's a link taking them to an upsell, which is a video version of the ebook on the main page, and this is a sales page for that. Okay, and this, like I said, is a video course of the ebook that they had just bought. Okay, here's all the videos. Beautiful website. And then the thank you page, download page for the video course is here. Again, there's freebies. There's a video course. There's a bonus audio someplace in here. This is everything. Okay. So that's your business in the box. And I just wanted to say, if you decide to use a buy it now option on this website over there on Flippa, I do have a special bonus, and that is a 7th page to this website, and this is an affiliate page where you can send your affiliates that want to promote your product, this product right here, and completely customizable, which I'll show you here in just a second what we can do with that. But this is where affiliates can download swipes and banners, and it's got email sign-up, so that way your JVs you can let them know every time you have a new product launch. It's an absolutely great deal. This is for buy it now bonus only. Okay, now if you decide to bid on this and you win, okay, I do have extra bonuses for that as well. And actually, let's just go ahead and go over to Flippa right now and look at the listing. Sorry about this. I should have been more prepared, but I just wanted to make sure I'm giving the right information on this video. Okay, and here's the listing. Okay, so benefits right here by okay, so the winning bidder, if you're the winning bidder, or if you decide to buy this now, I have a bonus. I will give you a free secondary website, which will be WordPress installed, and that will be for a support desk. We'll use that for a support desk, and also we'll use that as a way to host or download files for your buyers' products that they're buying from you. Okay, and I just kind of wanted to show you real quick before I sign off kind of how I set this up and how you can set this up as well. Okay, so This is another one of my products. Actually, you can buy this right now on Flippa, but this is actually a different domain. This is this is mine, and I'm using this right now. But I just kind of wanted to show you the whole process here. Okay, so this is the same deal. Okay, you get a free report in exchange for email. I put in my own opt-in page here. Okay, with a contact. Everything's legit here. Download page, you get to download the free book. Click here to download. Recommendations. Same deal. It's a link that takes you to the main offer, which is right here. This is a PayPal button. Okay, so anybody that buys is goes straight through PayPal, goes straight to my account. Okay, and here's sales page for ebook and free free bonuses. Okay, the thank you page for that, I got it set up to where they just click and download the ebook, and then the recommendation is the video version of the ebook, which is an upsell page like this, and this is how we'll set it up if you are the winning buyer over there on Flippa. This is just how we're going to set it up. You don't have to use PayPal. There's other options, but we'll talk about that after you win. Download page for that. Just a click and download. And this is all hosted through my WordPress site that I will set up for you. And here's the best part. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the final thank you page for the video. For the video course, and down here at the bottom of the thank you page, like I have another recommendation, right, for another product. And again, this same website is on Flippa under a different domain, but when you click that, it just keeps you in a circle. Now it's a what happens here. Sorry about that. What happens here, guys, is this is just an endless loop. Okay, so you get this website, the 6-page website, 7 if you're a buy it now bidder, if you buy it now, and I set it up for you from start to finish. I will hand deliver you a fully functional, done website, business in a box. And what you're going to do is drive traffic to that, start making some sales, right? And then come back and get another website, business in a box. And then you start to build your empire. And this is how this works. And this works. I'm using it right now as we speak. And also, one more thing. This is affiliate page to this list building profit. And this, I just want to show you. Okay. Over here. This is what the affiliate page looks like right now. Okay. It's very nice. It's got information. It's got an email sign up. Get your affiliate link, which I'll set all this up for you. Some downloads, right? And you can customize this however you want. This is how it comes standard. This is what I do and what I can do for you. I set all this up for you for your bite now. Winner, okay. I threw in pictures. Here's my affiliate link. This is my own affiliate sign up. We got emails, right? Banners, tweets, social media. You get all of these with the buy now bonus. All of these. Okay, over here I created a cash contest. I threw this into the page. I could do this for you. We'll set this up, okay? Coupon code, all right? Proven sales funnel. And this lets the affiliates know that this is a legit product and that they can promote for me, okay? One last thing. Bonus, whether you're a bidder or a buy it now, I told you would get a secondary website that would act as a support desk. As well, it will host big download files for your buyers. Sorry about that. In the office. Okay. Anyways, see this contact button here? Okay, this is what your free website is going to look like. Basic. This is the front end. It's just, it's a contact form here. And it just goes straight to whatever email that you want. And this is kind of like a cover-up because on the back end of this website, is where we host all of our images, files, download files, all of our videos, okay? So that way you don't have to pay people like Dropbox. They allow so much free and then they start charging. Amazon S3 is an awesome service, but they charge a lot. You can do it for free with the secondary bonus website that I'm going to make. But everybody, that's the website. In a box, I'm setting the reserve at $47, which is an awesome deal. I know people right now on eBay that are charging $350 just to install these PLR sites and hand deliver them. I'm giving that to you absolutely free, whether you bid or you buy it now. Okay, the bite now price will be $125, which again is a great deal, and you get my customer service for life. Um, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment if you have any questions. Head on over to Flippa. I will have a description, link in the description below that will take you straight to the listing. And enjoy, guys. Contact me if you need anything. All right. Bye.